Hi, my name is Vivi and I'm a student in Taylor's College. Today I'm going to do a review about a talk by Jonas Coker titled Overcoming Anxiety. In his talk, the speaker outlined two core methods for coping with anxiety, which the first method is cognitive behavioral therapy, we can short as CBT. This method focuses on understanding the relationship between thoughts, feelings, and behavior. And CBT incorporates various techniques, including mindfulness, which emphasize the connection between our mind and our body. And in this talk, the speaker described his own personal practice where he closed his eyes and visualized waves gently washing over different parts of his body. And for the second method, exposure therapy, this method involves gradually facing one's fears in a controlled manner to reduce anxiety over time. For example, if you're scared of something, the best way to handle it is to face it head on. So you need to put yourself in a situation where you will have to face your fear or interact with your own fear. And University of Pittsburgh made a study regarding the effect of exposure on those who have OCD, and the study have divided the patient into three groups. The first group is people with medication only, and the second group is people with medication and exposure treatment, and the last group is people with exposure treatment only. And they found that people in the second and third group ranked lower severity ranking than the group with medication only. So in this case, it proved that exposure therapy better than medicine. And as for Coker, first rank is his talk, and his delivery is clear and engaging, and he communicates complex ideas simply, ensuring accessibility for listeners who may be unfamiliar with the therapeutic concept like CBT and exposure therapy. And his tone also very friendly and approachable, which likely will help the audience to feel more comfortable to discuss a topic as sensitive as anxiety. And another strength is the effective audience interaction. The speaker involves the audience through creating an interactive experience that encourages reflection. This approach is essential for a topic that deeply impacts many people. Engaging the audience not only keep them attentive but also help them relate with personally to the material. As for one of the main areas for improvement in his presentation is his intonation. At times his speech falls into monotonous tone, which can detract from the talk overall impact, and a more varied tone could enhance his engagement, as shift in pitch and pace help underscore key points and keep the audience interested. I recommend to use of varied intonation by raising or lowering his pitch on critical points. And he also need to enhance his visual aids, though he has slide, yes, but he need to add some visual like graph or illustration that outline the therapeutic process, so the audience could further clarify this complex concept. To sum up, Jonas Coker's presentation on overcoming anxiety effectively highlight key concepts of CBT and exposure therapy, showcasing strength in clarity and audience engagement, with a few tweaks like enhancing his vocal and adding real-life example. His talk could resonate even more deeply for the audience. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your attention, and I welcome any question.